So, good evening one and all. In this video, we are going to discuss about some case studies regarding pollution. Okay, we know about environmental pollution from your childhood times itself. We were reading about the environmental issues from the school days itself. We know very well about what is the environment and what are all the measures government or implemented to maintain the environmental issues to safeguard the people from environmental issues like that. So general aspects we can discuss about case studies. How and you can also view comment your own viewpoint. How environment is important to our day-to-day life and what are all the issues we are facing. So generally we speak about start from global warming. So I think you can view from your perspective. Just comment about global warming, general view on what are all the measures to be taken, what are all the so know what are the effects. I mean, how people are affects, how people are affecting from this warming. From your point of view, you just see this. Some of the points also no issues.
So firstly, global warming. So global warming is mainly due to the release of the greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, and fluorinated gases like hydrofluorocarbons. And recent studies show that compared to 2023 and 2024, the increase of the average temperature is 0.12 degrees centigrade, which is hottest somewhere. So people affect due to that, and it increases the global warming chances. And also we use the refrigerators and ACs, which also releases the greenhouse gases, which also increase the global warming. And the fossil fuel dependence. So general fossil fuels are coal, gas, coal, oil, and natural gas. So we are using coal in day-to-day life. It releases high amount of the greenhouse gases, which also affects the global warming. And we are dependent on we are highly dependent on the fossil fuels for energy consumption, and 80% of the global energy sources are from the fossil fuels.
Yes, because of the dependence of fossil fuels, this also recently increased a major issue in our day-to-day life. That's why we are made a remedy that energy, battery like that, energy is a main remedy for this. Okay, very good comments you are given, Mr. Pradeep. Second, can we comment about anything regards to food wastes? How food wastes are also important in our day-to-day life, and how it is affecting because of this. What remedy we can take? Just comment your view.
Global food waste, 1.3 billion tons every year can feed up to 3 billion people. 25% of CH3 emissions every year.
Carbon, mainly yes, greenhouse gases emission. Yes, it means greenhouse gases emission. So because of this also one of the major source of environmental problem. So any recording you want to discuss about biodiversity loss?
Biodiversity loss. World Health Foundation in 2025 reports, and 73% of wildlife populations were declined between 1970 and 2020. More than 500 species of land animals may lost within 20 years. The same number were lost over the whole of the last century because of these pollutions like this.
So because of the pollution only, biodiversity also getting a major loss, especially for the past 50 years till 2020. For the past 50 years there is a major loss. Okay. Because of biodiversity loss, even it is also very heavy threat to human life also. Humans also depend on biodiversity, right? So biodiversity depend on environmental means human life also depend on biodiversity through environment. So these are the major cause, even biodiversity loss too. Because of biodiversity loss, it is also a major loss to regular human loss life also. Okay, very good point. And Mr. You can give out anything about pollution. I think you know very well about pollution. Comment your some one points about pollution.
Air pollution. According to the World Health Organization, estimated 4.2 to 7 million people die from air pollution worldwide every year. 9 by 10 breathe air that contain high level of pollutant.
It means 9 out of 10 people breathing polluted air. Good.
In Africa, 258,000 people died as result of outdoor air pollution in 2017, increased from 164,000 in 1919, according to UNESCO.
It means the report says drastic improvement of dead human life dead in Africa. So Africa, it means yes, correct. Africa need to be, protect more. Special cause is needed to protect Africa. India and some other developed countries, yeah, we are taking measurements, but Africa is still behind that. That's the report says. Okay. So yes, what anything you need to discuss about pollution? Air pollution. Okay. Plastic pollution on a very well. Generally, plastic, since it is not degradable, is also a major cause. We want to take measures for that, for degradable type of material we want to use. So some of the pollution we discuss, and the government is also taking necessary steps for remedy. Yeah, remedy for these pollutions. So very good comments from you three, and thank you so much for discussing with these environmental issues through case study. Thank you so much.